Okay, the glass house beehive is currently completed. I got the bottom on it, as you can see, which is see-through. Today is the farm and barn tour at the farm. I took out 2 frames on each side. This hive is a month old. You can see the moisture, but as the day progresses, it will go. You can look at the comb, how they're building it. See how the comb, how it's drawn out from a wax foundation. See on the bottom right? That's what your standard wax foundation looks like before the bees draw it out. They're actually kind of calm, considering. This is the front. Very small entrance. You can see them working. Go on top. As the hive grows, I will probably do some more videos, but this is the other side of the hive. You can see